안녕하세요. I know Korean is not that easy to learn, but you know what? Hangul, the Korean alphabet, is one of the easiest writing systems to learn. The secret is assembly. Think of Hangul just like Lego. You can make almost any sound by simply putting consonants and vowels together. Just remember basic a few consonants and vowels. You can read everything in Korean. Sounds too good to be true. I'll show you the magic right now. Shall we start? Okay, this is how consonants and vowels are positioned in Korean. Today we are going to focus on these two types. Let's start with the vowels first. In Korean, there are 10 short vowels and 11 diphthong. But don't worry, today we are only going to focus on these 8 short vowels. Only with them, there are a huge number of Korean words you can read. Now I'm going to pronounce the vowels for you. Watch my mouth closely and repeat after me. Okay, so first one, ah, ah. Okay, the next one, o, 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 u, 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 e, 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 e. Great job. You know what? Actually, these fine two vowels are almost same in modern Korean, so you can just pronounce exactly same. E. Okay. In Korean, a vowel always needs a consonant partner to become a full letter. So look at this circle. Equals iung. Iung. This is a consonant. When it's at the beginning of a block, it has no sound. It's just a placeholder. So when you it with a vowel, you just make the vowel sound. So look at this. This sounds ah, and this one ah. Yeah, exactly the same. See? So let's bring in some other partners with real sounds. Let's look at the consonants. These are the pieces that have their own sounds. I'll say the sound first and you repeat after me. Ready? So first one, k, k, n, n, t, t, l, l, m, m, p, p, s, s, ng, ng, ch, ch, h, h. Okay, great. So now here's the fun part. Let's build some real words. Okay, every vowel has their own positions. This vertical vowels go right side of consonants, and horizontal vowels go to bottom of consonants. Let's change its partner. So it goes here, and it sounds k, a, ka, ka. And next one, n, a, na. So ta, la, ma. Okay, here's a pro tip for your pronunciation. When you combine a consonant and a vowel, your mouth shape should always end with a vowel. So no matter what consonant you start with, the final shape of your mouth is a vowel. So watch me. So for example, this one, this consonant sounds p, and this one ah. And when it combines, it sounds pa, ah, pa. Right? Check out my mouth position at the last part. Pa, ah, exactly the same, right? Then let's continue. Sa, ah is the same sound with vowel, right? Because this ion is silent one. And next one is cha and ha. Great. And the next one, right? So, ko, no, to, ro, mo, po, so, o, cho, ho. Okay, then ki, ni, ti, ri, mi, pi, si, i, chi, he. Okay, then next, the horizontal one, the O sound, it goes here, and it sounds cool. No, to, o, right? Lo, mo. And this one, po, so, o, cho, ho, right? And the last one, oo sound. And ku, nu, tu, ru, mu, pu, su, u, chu, hu. Oo sound, right? Okay, great. You're doing great job. And then let's add a few more consonants. In Hangul, some consonants have brothers. They look similar like this. But for these brothers, you just need to add a line. When you add a line, you are adding more air to the sound. Look, I'll show you with this tissue. The first one, ku, ku. When you add a line, it sounds ku, ku. And this one, tu, tu. And when you add a line, tu, tu. Then pu, pu. And this one, pu, pu. And the last one, tu, tu. It goes like tu, tu. Can you see the tissue moving? That's the power of the air. So now let's try adding vowels to the sounds as well. So here I wanna use these two vowels, e and e. Exactly the same, right? So do you know which position is for these two vowels? Yeah, it's a vertical one, so the right side of consonants, right? So here, ke, te, pe, che. And yeah, exactly the same. Ke, te, pe, che. Yeah. And the horizontal one, this one, cho, po, right? And this one, ku, tu, like this, right? And how about this one? All sound, right? So, ka, ta, pa, cha. And the last one, cha, pa, ta, ka. Yeah, great. Excellent. Well done. Now you officially know the basic consonants, their brothers, and the vowels, right? Yeah. Now you have the foundation of Hangul. Let's see if you can read these words. Look at this. A lot of words, right? But trust me, you can read all of this right now. So, let's see. The first one. 츠, 에, 채, and 르, 이, 리. So, cherry. Yeah, it's a cherry. And the next one, 부, 아, 바, 느, 아, 나. So, banana. Yeah, banana. And the next one, 푸, 이, 피, 즈, 아, 자. 피자. Yeah, it's a pizza. And 느, 아, 나, 부, 이, 비. 나비. is a butterfly. The next one, 치, 아, 차 is a car. And next one, 느, 아, 나, 무, 우, 무, 나무. So it's a tree. The 오, 르, 이, 리, 오리. It's a dog. The next one, 즈, 이, 지, 그, 우, 구, 지구. Yeah, the earth. And the next one, 그, 에, 개, 무, 이, 미, 개, 미. An end. The last one, 그, 아, 가, 그, 우, 구, 가, 구. Yeah, furniture. But then, how do we read this one? 트, 오, 도, and and the next one, 그, 아, 가, I don't know, right? Yeah, I know. In our next time, we'll learn how to read words just like this. Make sure to watch this video often to review. In the next session, we'll meet again with even more ways to build Hangul. Bye and see you next time. 안녕!
Your thumbs up and subscriptions really support this channel. Thank you. 또 만나!